what's some tools that you would not be able to do your business without?
Ooh, there's a few of them. One is Keyword Researcher Pro. Matter of fact, right before this web podcast, I was on there. It's basically a keyword research tool that searches the Google Suggest. Mm-hmm. Other tools that I use a lot. Now, this is only for e-commerce stuff, but I use ShipStation. Okay. So if I get an order, a physical order that I have to fulfill, which we probably only do, 5 to 10 of those a week, but from Amazon or from Walmart, because we're also on Walmart.com.
Nice.
So the order will come in, and ShipStation gets the order, and it shows me what the product is. And all I need to do is click on the person's name and click the print button. It prints the label, and it then goes into Walmart and says, product was shipped. Here's the tracking ID.
Nice. So it's full automation.
Oh, full automation. I mean, each order takes me all of about 30 seconds to fulfill.
Nice.
Whereas if I did not have that thing, oh my God, you're talking 20 minutes per order. So for e-commerce, if anyone's doing any form of e-commerce or shipping out products, that's the best tool to have. ClickFunnels is one that I use quite often. I would then say the number one would be AWeber, because that's my email list. You take AWeber out and I'm in trouble.